Unit 1022 at Tidewater Drive is a charming and spacious one-bedroom, one-bath villa inside the highly sought-after gated community of Tidewater Plantation in North Myrtle Beach. Gorgeous views of the area's highest-rated golf course abound from a huge screened-in porch, as do views of a lake and driving range. This villa showcases an open floor plan with new flooring and plumbing fixtures, new granite countertops, and freshly painted cabinets. The Tidewater Plantation and Golf Club is tucked away between the Intracoastal Waterway and the salt marshes of Cherry Grove, and is convenient to marinas, restaurants, golf, shopping, and entertainment. The Atlantic Ocean and the Tidewater Beach Cabana are just short miles away. Other amenities include an abundance of social activities: swimming pools, hot tubs, a fitness facility, clubhouse, and championship golf course. Don't miss this unique opportunity to be a part of the Tidewater Plantation community. Call today